Good morning, World Wide Web, loyal subscribers, YouTubers, guys. I am actually going to be starting a new series this week, and it's going to be entitled Talk to Me Tuesdays. Okay, so number one, happy Tuesday, everybody. And we're actually going to dive back into my everyday rush hour traffic masters YouTube video series where we talk about how to get more exposure for your business and how to properly or effectively market and advertise your business, right? And so I'm revisiting a particular login ad because I got a question and I want to answer that question. And so I thought about it and I figured, okay, so every Tuesday, guys, I will either email you guys or I will put a YouTube video up on YouTube and we'll call it Talk to Me Tuesdays or Talk Back Tuesdays. If you guys have any questions about any of the videos that I'm actually doing on YouTube, particularly where affiliate marketing is concerned and generating traffic and leads for your business, then feel free to put a question in the comment area just below this YouTube video and or email me, guys, okay, at it's Marlon O Bennett at gmail.com with any of your questions, and I'll make sure that I get back to you guys and we'll answer those questions, okay? So, guys, one of the most common questions about when it comes to affiliate marketing and generating traffic and leads is what's the difference between free traffic and or paid traffic? And the difference is really is no difference outside of the fact that traffic is traffic is traffic, okay? Traffic is simply people. It translates into people getting yourself or positioning yourself in front of your particular target audience for your particular niche, okay? So when you think about free traffic, you think about places like YouTube and some of the social media platforms, and that's a great place to go and get free traffic. Now, you can pay for traffic on YouTube and some of the social media platforms, but the thing about this, here's my rule of thumb. A lot of times people will tell you about getting all this free traffic, right? Free traffic, free traffic, free traffic, free traffic. Unless you're a person who want to really get out and do a whole bunch of YouTube videos and or you have a big social media following, guys. I don't use a lot of free traffic. I'll tell you what I do. What I do, guys, is I build my own list. Okay, and by building my own list, I can get all the free traffic I want. But I pay for my traffic, most of it, 90% of it, guys, outside of these YouTube videos. And so you don't have to spend an arm and a leg when you talk about paid traffic. You just have to know where to go and how to position yourself in front of your particular target audience. And then as you start to build your list, you you're paying for the traffic, but when you build your list, the people coming onto your list are on your list forever until they unsubscribe from your list. And so now you can get all the free traffic you want if you build your list, but you want to build it in the right way. So today we're going to be talking about the login ad blaster. We're going to revisit that site and we're going to continually do these videos and we're going to revisit all of the sites, excuse me, guys, where you guys can see. You're going to find out, guys, all of the traffic that I'm generating, right? We're going to get into solo ads, by the way, ultimately. But all the traffic you guys see me generating, and I'm going to show you guys the results of it, is coming from the ads that I'm talking about in this series, right? Particularly now in this instance, we're talking about the login ads. Now, the question was, and it was a very good question, and the question was posed by wow, I had that question, guys. And it was again, I'm just gonna minimize my screen just a little bit because this was a very good question. It was a comment, and the question was interesting how and Gene Robert Wilson, thanks for the question, by the way. And it was and you watched one of the videos and you would say it was interesting, how did these login ads work out for you? So Gene, I'm going to reply to your response by telling you and showing you exactly how they worked out for me, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how they work. But before we even get into that, guys, let me show you where the traffic that I'm generating. The day's date is the 15th, or actually the 16th of February. But as you guys can see, if you're over here on the right, and then you start scrolling down, these are all from the 15th on, and it's going to continue through the day, guys. People coming onto my list. This is one of 20. I'm going to scroll over again, and you guys get to see this is 21 through 40, still into January 27, guys, 25th. We could go. I could do this all day long, guys. Okay, and show you guys that I'm just continually driving traffic into my marketing systems, and as a result of it, getting leads and sign-ups right? Because I'm building my own list. Now, if you're watching this video or any of the videos that you're actually watching, standing over my shoulder and watching on this YouTube video, or you guys are on my list and you see a button below this video so you can access the actual resource I'm talking about, then it's as simple as that, guys. And let me say this before I move on. If I want to build a business, guys, and I can't show you as a person coming onto my team or a person joining me, or whatever it is I'm talking about, I cannot have any success, no matter how much money I tell you guys I make, no matter how many sales I tell you I make, no matter how big I'm building my list. If I'm building a team, if you can't replicate and duplicate what it is I'm doing, I'm only going to have so much success. And the same lies true for you as you start to build your affiliate marketing business, network marketing, MLM, whatever it is you're doing. So it's imperative, right? It's important, right? In fact, I have to show you guys how to do what it is I'm doing in order for me to have success, if that makes sense. So obviously, guys, it makes sense to show you guys exactly what it is I'm doing. And here's the other key component and the flip side of what I just said. If you watch these videos and you're not doing anything, guys, how can you expect anything to happen? Right? So, Gene, to answer your question, yes, these login ads work. They're extremely powerful because everybody's logging into these platforms. Your ad, your capture page is the very first capture page that they're going to see. Right? Let me show you guys an example of what I'm talking about. I put the resources in these YouTube videos. And again, if you guys are on my list, just click below this video and it'll take you over to the resource. Now, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to click on the actual login ad blaster. If I'm in there, I know I had it in here. YouTube login ad blaster. Where did I put it? There it goes, right there, guys. So let's log into the actual login ad blaster. Okay. Now, first cool thing about this site, guys. Number one, now the price has gone up on the actual login ad, right? But it was $7, now it's $9, guys. But either way, let me show you guys what happened. I'm going to log in when you actually start using these login ads to generate leads and traffic, or traffic and leads for your business. Now, you see I'm right here at my actual dashboard. I'm going to log in. And voila, guys. Well, this is the actual introductory page. So let's just go on and get around that, and you guys will get to see the actual login ad. Okay, I'm going to say no thanks. I don't want to see that. And I'm going to go into the actual platform. Now, listen up, guys. Pay strict attention to what's going to go on right here. Because as you can see, there's a countdown timer going on right here. And you can also see there's a login ad, right? This being presented as I'm logging into the platform, right? This is my capture page, guys. This is the login ad that's being presented to everybody logging into this platform right now today. And it's going to continue to show for a period of 24 hours per $9 that you pay for the day, the specified day that you use to log into the login ad blaster. Now, this is my ad. Okay, it's populating, and it'll continue to populate, and it populates and stays there for 14 seconds. The people logging in are incentivized to watch it. They can actually acquire credits by doing so. Now, guys, I'm going to go on to my account. You just saw my ad when I logged in, and so once you're logged in, you're going to have an interface that looks exactly like this inside of your members area. Knock, knock. PS, and by the way, it's absolutely free to set this account up. So let's go to buy and manage ads. When you go and you do that, guys, first of all, pay attention to the fact that your ad will be shown as the daily login ad for a minimum of 15 seconds to everyone who logs into any of our network sites for a whole, what, guys? 24-hour period. Extremely powerful and effective for generating leads because tens of thousands of people across 15 different platforms are seeing your ad as they log into the actual platform. Very powerful, very effective. Okay, so now May has just started to populate, guys. And let me tell you something. By the way, look, guys, we're in February. And as you can see, March is already almost gone. Because if it's red, it's gone. If it's green, you can still buck it. Now, I'm going to tell you this, guys. And this is really, Tuesdays are probably some of the best days to place these login ads. Tuesdays and Wednesdays, okay? And Thursdays not bad either. Friday and Saturday, people tend to start doing other things sometimes, so they're not in these platforms as much. But you got to remember There are tens of thousands of people in all of these different platforms, and whenever they opt into these platforms all across 14 different safe lists, traffic exchanges, and websites, your ad's going to be the first one they see. Now, guys, let's come down here to my login ads, okay? Now, guys, again, today is February 16th. You can see, guys, I have placed ads all the way up through 18 May, okay? So a lot of these ads you guys see it here are mine, okay? Because I don't play around when it comes to my traffic. I like to get in front of my advertising. I like to schedule it way in advance, and so this is exactly what I've done. 18 May is the last ad that I have populating, but you know, you guys can see 18 May is a long ways away, guys, right? But you want to get in front of your traffic. You want to actively be placing yourself in front of the people most likely to be interested in your particular ads, okay? So when you decide that you want to buy an ad on the Login Ad Blaster, it's going to cost you $9 for that 24-hour period. Keep in mind, your ad is going to be shown to everybody logging into all of these different networks for a 24-hour period. Amazingly powerful and effective. I'm waiting for June to populate, guys, in this particular platform because I have all the ads that I want all the way up through May. In fact, I got ads all the way up through May, right, of 2021. It's not even February's. We're almost halfway through February, guys. I got ads in March. I got ads in April, and I actually literally have ads in May. Now listen up. For $9 for a login ad, it's going to get you exposure for everybody opting into all of these platforms. There's no way. It's a numbers game. I don't know what kind of capture page you're using. I don't know what it is you're marketing and promoting, but I can tell you that when you want more traffic and more leads, you definitely have to continue to invest in your advertising. So you talk about free versus paid. I like paid because, guys, you already seen some of the results in terms of me building my list. This is page 21 of 40. Let's go over to 41 to 60, and you guys look over here, you'll see it's consistent with the dates of the actual. This is just one of my autoresponders. I think I had two in here. Can I get back to the other one? Okay, I can't find it. So look, here's how I want to end this video, guys. I got ads running across multiple platforms where I talk to people, where I show people how to stand over my shoulder and supercharge their traffic. 10 times your lead generation and build your list bigger, faster, where all of this training is actually covered. You get to stand over my shoulder and you're watching me do it, okay? The Login Ad Blaster is just one example. If you're on the YouTube video, go ahead and click the actual Login Ad Blaster link in the YouTube video description area. If you guys are getting this any other way and you're getting it through my list through your email, then right below this actual video will be the Login Ad Blaster link. Okay, it'll say click here to continue. Set up your free account, guys. Get out here, start marketing and promoting your business, and then opt into my actual, what I'm actually calling my Traffic Masters over the shoulder videos, where you guys get to see several other login ad platforms that you can use. And we're not talking about breaking the bank, and we're talking about continually to supercharge the traffic that you're getting and literally 10 times your lead generation and building your list bigger, faster. Guys, I have systems. I have autonomous list building funnels that you guys will definitely want to implement and use in your marketing, okay? We're not talking about a particular business opportunity now. We're talking about how to get an opportunity to expand your reach, right? How to get more traffic, how to get more leads, how to build your list bigger and faster. So I hope that this video has made sense to you. I want to thank you again. I want to thank you again for the actual question that was asked on this video, because it was a very good question, because people, you want to know, does this stuff work? So Gene Robert Wilson, thanks so much for your question. Leave a comment. Go ahead on and check out the Login Ad Blaster for yourself, right? And prove to yourself that you can actually start extracting leads from these starter ads, or these actual what we call login ads. Okay, guys, they're extremely powerful, and it's a great way to continue to drive traffic into your automated marketing systems and funnels. So that's my Talk Back or Talk to Me Tuesday YouTube video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope that you got some real value out of it. But most of all, I hope that you start to implement the techniques, the tactics, and the strategies that we talk about, so that you guys can start building your list bigger and faster. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, and I'll see you on the next Talk to Me Tuesday or Talk Back Tuesday video. Thanks, guys. Keep banging, and I'll see you then.